Good morning, Profit Seekers. It's Pat again with the Business Profit Center coming at you with a new video. In today's video, we're going to discuss audience insights on Facebook. And if you are brand new to Facebook advertising, this is a must watch. Honestly, it's going to save you a lot of headache and definitely a lot of money for sure. So once you've created your business manager, you have your Facebook pages set up, what you want to do is come up here to Business Manager, click on that, and go straight to Audience Insights. So, obviously, if you are new and you haven't really created any audiences, or you don't have a whole lot of people on your Facebook page, then you want to really just focus on finding everyone on Facebook. And remember, there are billions of people that use Facebook every single day. That's a B as in billions. Unbelievable how many people are on here. It's just as good as Google AdWords. I'm telling you, if you know how to pinpoint people on Facebook, you're going to do very well. So let's go ahead and click on everyone here. And in today's example, what I want to do is I'm going to show you one of my little e-com websites that I put together as an example, because when I was going through my Facebook training, I wanted to do something, create a product or create a service of some sort that I can test all my skills that I've learned through my Facebook training. So what I did was create this little e-com website. It's just a print-on-demand store called Chargans. You can check it out if you want. It's chargans.com. But what we'll do for this example is use the tank top right here. It's Proud Nurse tank top, as you can see here. And say we're going to target nurses. And obviously this is a women's tank top. So I'm going to show you how to use audience insights to figure out how to pinpoint who I should sell to or who you should sell to as well. So number one, I'm just going to focus on the United States, although you can focus all your ads on whoever within the world. You know, if you're an e-com store, then obviously you can sell to anyone in the world. But, you know, for those people that have a practice, say like you're a doctor or a chiropractor, obviously you're not going to try and focus your attention on, say, London if you're based in the United States. So it wouldn't make any sense. But for this example, like I said, let's just use the United States. Here we go, and then we're going to click on women here. And then as far as the age range, always leave this as is, 18 to whatever age, because what we're trying to do is find out what percentage of people are interested in this Proud Nurse tank top shirt, okay? So right here, we already know 25 to 34-year-old women, 24%. Is that's the demographic that we're actually looking to target. But we can go even deeper, say, okay, in our interest here, let's just put in nursing. We'll go ahead and click there. And as you can see, if we're targeting just the nursing industry, it already jumped up 27%. You can go even deeper by saying, let's say registered nurse. Boom. That didn't really change anything here, but hopefully you get the gist. You can really dig deep into this, all the interest, all the demographics, just on your audience insights. And here's another really fun trick that you can, really fun tip that will definitely help you, and that's Google Trends. I know a lot of people forget about Google Trends, but let's just say, okay, my topic is nurses. I'm targeting nurses. So United States, let's take a look here. We'll just type in nursing or nurse. Why don't we say just nurses? Nurses, we're going to click that. Let's search. And this is already preset for the United States. And as you can see right here, you're going to have the most interest for nurses in Mississippi, then Vermont, then South Dakota, then West Virginia, Massachusetts. So this actually helps me figure out how targeted I can really get with just one product. And this one product is this Razorback tank top for women that is all about nurses. So down here in the location, hey, why don't we just target Mississippi? Mississippi. I know a lot of S's there. Okay, boom. Now it goes down to 25%. So this is giving me a better understanding of, hey, who should I start targeting when I create my new Facebook ad? Okay, to even go even deeper with some awesome tips and tricks, let's take a look at, since we're on audience insights right now, this is one that everyone forgets to look at, and that is page likes. So we've already dug in. We got Mississippi. We're targeting nurses in the United States, and the page likes. So any pages that are currently on Facebook that have the most likes related to everything that's in our interests and what we are trying to find out through audience insights. And right here, obviously, the top one is hospital. That's the top category for nursing. And this little tip will help you so much. I'm telling you, just do this and you'll see success with your Facebook ads. So one Facebook page we can look at is St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital. So we can come over here. They always get tons of likes, and this little tip will help you as well get a lot of likes and shares too. So in your detailed targeting for your Facebook ad, you could just put in here St. Jude's. Let's look at that. St. Jude's, St. Jude's. We are looking for interests. Let's go to St. Jude. St. Jude's Research Hospital, 35 million right there. So you could do this with pretty much every single one of these. You know, put in the Blair E. Batson Hospital. You got the Lucky Rabbit, shopping and retail. They sell, I think they do food and a few other things. Let's just take a quick look at their Facebook page. Yeah, they sell tacos, tamales, got Cotton Gin Market. But overall, I just wanted to share that with you because so many people forget about what's already successful on Facebook and not utilizing those successes for their own benefit. And for me, when I learned this, I said, you know what, this is amazing. Why not just add that in and just test it out? So again, Facebook audience insights for every single ad. Always do your homework here first before you create an ad. So hopefully all of this has helped you out. We're going to keep continuing to put out quality content for all of you out there that are struggling with Facebook ads. So remember to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. We're here to help you every single day. I'm not going to be able to make a video every single day, but at least 1 or 2 times a week, we'll put out some quality content for you. Another thing, I got links for ClickFunnels below. You really take the time to understand how ClickFunnels works because it is such a game changer. So many people are getting on board with it. And if you need to build a quick, easy, quality landing page that you can use to retarget with email or just on Facebook, there's nothing else like it. So sign up with ClickFunnels. I'll also have some other links below that can help you with if you're new to e-commerce. I'll have an e-commerce link that I personally went through. I also have the Facebook ad training that I went through, and it really, really helped me. This whole summer, that's all I've been doing is studying advertising, and it's made a world of difference. Okay, everyone, like I said, hit the like button, subscribe, and we will talk to you soon. My name is Pat. We are the Business Profit Center. Take care.